Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a public game room within the Brawlhalla game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Brawlhalla game on your device, and after you are taken into the main menu, click on the custom game room option from the left side. This will now show you various different options, from which if you click on the create room button, you will see two different options. If you wish to simply play with your friends, then you can choose the private room option. And in order to create a public room, click on the public room button. This will now open up your public room right away. You can choose your region, set up your privacy, and enter a description if you wish. You can also set up your map choosing system and enable or disable blind pick as well as handicaps. Before confirming, you can also set up your game rules as well as your lobby settings. After changing all of your settings, you will simply need to wait for other individuals to join. And once enough players have joined, you can start enjoying the Brawlhalla custom game right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to create a public game room on the Brawlhalla game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.